What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So today's video is a quick one. Hopefully it is once I edit everything down. But today I am playing with the Carnival palette from BP Cosmetics. They collab with Stacey Marie. So this palette just, oh my gosh, guys. This palette is so beautiful. If you wanna see how I got this look and what I think about the palette from Stacey Marie, then keep on watching. All right, let's zoom you guys in. That should be good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye. Today I am using the Bperfect Carnival palette. This palette is just so beautiful with, just look at all these colors. They're so pretty, and you have two highlighters in here. So it's from Bperfect Cosmetics, and they collab with Stacey Marie, who is a makeup artist. So let's get into playing with some shadows. I'm really focusing today's look on just blue colors, so that is the vibe for today. So I'm taking a Morphe M37 brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade called Sky. And it's just a really pretty blue, and we're going to tap this in to the crease. And I will link everything down below with the link on, you know, to get to their website and everything. Their brand is from the UK, so it does take a little bit longer if you're in the States to kind of receive it. I think it took me maybe, I think I got it about a week and a half or 2 weeks from when I ordered it. I did get it on sale, so I think I paid like 40 something bucks. They had a discount, like they had a sale going on, so I used that discount code that they had. But see here, it's 39 pounds. So I think for in the US it's around like 50, maybe 60. It just depends. So you can always look up the converter and everything like that, or like on PayPal, it'll show you, it'll convert it to the US dollar amount. Yeah, the shade is so easy. These shadows hardly have any fallout. Just certain shades have like a little bit of fallout, but not too much, and you can just apply it on your brush and just go straight on your lid. So these colors are just so easy to work with. It's definitely worth the splurge and the wait if you're in the US, if you're wanting to get your hands on this palette. Next, I'm going in with my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm going to take the shade called Mood. And this looks like a dark denim kind of, or like dark navy shade. Really pretty shade. We're gonna put this on the outer and inner corner of the eye, and then bring it on into your crease. And I like doing like stamping motions to get all that pigment on there, and then you can blend it out. Yeah, these shadows are like full of pigment. Okay, so going back in with the R37 brush, I'm not picking anything else up, and we're just gonna blend really softly that outer edge of the shadow. And if you need to apply more of the shade called Mood, then just go ahead and apply some more. So next shade we're going into with a shimmer shade. Pretty much we're doing a halo eye today, and I'm taking the shade Breezy, and I'm just gonna use my finger And that's one swipe with my finger. Like, that's how pigmented these shades are. Okay, once we have Breezy on, I'm going back in with my M505 brush, taking a little bit more of mood, and we're just gonna tap. That way there's no harsh lines or anything. And these shades are so easy to blend out, it's crazy. So I'm going back in with my finger, taking a little bit more of Breezy, and I'm just gonna tap where I want more of that pigment. And pretty much you can always go back and forth. And that was really fast to get this look. Like, these shades blend so fast and just so easy. It's crazy. I don't know what the heck they did in the lab, but they did it right. So let's move on to the lower lash line, and I'm taking a Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number on it or anything like that, but take any like smaller brush to go under the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna go in with maybe a shimmer shade. This shade is called Recharge, and we're gonna try this shade out. I'm gonna take more of Mood, and I'm gonna put this a little bit under that shade. We're just smoking everything out. Okay, and then I'm actually gonna take, I'm gonna go in with Breezy as well, and I'm gonna mimic that top portion, and I'm gonna put it in the middle. Yeah, these shades are not even, there's like no fallout or anything. Okay, so I'm just waiting for my lashes to dry. I'm gonna go in with the two highlighters in here, Saint and Sinner. I'm gonna start with Sinner first. And I already have some highlight from ABH, but I just wanna apply some more. Oh, that's blinding. Okay, let's try Saint. And Saint has more of a pink tone to it. And I'm gonna apply this over the brow for a highlighted brow bone. Alright, so I put some lashes on using, of course, the Batty B in the style Extra, because I love those lashes. So for my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Pink Me. I'm just gonna use my finger, and we're just gonna apply that. And it has like a really cool iridescent of pink. Alright, that looks really cool. Alright, let's see. We're gonna do a lips on camera real quick. I'm going on with my favorite lipstick pencil in Makeup Forever, Anywhere Caffeine. I love this pencil. I'm gonna take Hollywood Cosmetics. It's called Yes Girl, and she created she created 3 different glosses, so I'm gonna try this one. If you love nudes, like nude glosses, definitely check this out. I'll link it down below. They are like butter soft, like so nice on the lips. So This is the finished look with this beautiful blue shade. Different types of blues that do come in the Bperfect Stacey Marie Carnival palette. This palette is a must. I feel like if you love playing with colors, or I mean there's still some like neutral tones in this collection of palette along the top row, but if you love to play in color and you want that good pigmentation, good blendability, spend a little coin, you know, I for sure would get this palette. I can't wait to, you know, do some more looks with this palette, so stay tuned. I will be playing with more colors because there's so many beautiful colors in this palette. So yeah, stay tuned for other videos with the Carnival palette. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to write something in the comment section down below. That way I can read your comments, and if you have any requests from me, then just let me know down below. So yeah, so I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.